Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys the difference between our standard film, which is our Medical high performance 4% all the way around with a 32 on that windshield on this Ram 2500. On this BMW we did our Black Pearl NC by Medical, which is our nano ceramic. We did the 5% all the way around with the 55 on the windshield. Now this here is going to show us how much solar power is going into the vehicle. So the first one we're going to do is this Ram 2500. Let's go show you what the percentage is on the windshield. 32 and 4% all around. This is a really good film. Comes with a lifetime warranty. You don't have to go this dark. We do have from 4 different shades you can choose from. Let's check out this door. So I'm laying this right up against the glass. As you can see, it's reading 116 sunlight still going in through this glass. The front windshield's reading 141. Okay, on the Ram, and then this is what it looks like all the way around. Looks pretty nice and clean. Now let's go ahead, hop on the Beamer. We'll show you guys the difference on the numbers here. Let's go ahead and test out the door first. This is our NC 5%. So solar power going in is 34% on the 5%. Now we're going to test out the 55 on the windshield ceramic. $66 to $60. So there's a difference. Looks good all the way around as well. You can see those numbers there, they don't lie. We do have different options available, guys. If you want to block the most heat, sunlight, you got to go with our ceramic film. That's going to be your best bet. That's our standard film. Both of these films are dyed films. They do come with a lifetime warranty. Warranty is going to cover bubbling, peeling, or extreme color change. We do have different options. Set up an appointment with us. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out. The sun's already out. Don't wait before it's too late and we get too booked out. Let's go. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for your support. We appreciate everybody's support. We appreciate all of our customers always keeping us busy throughout these years. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for your business. May God bless you guys and your families. And like I said, thank you. If you need any window tint, let us know.